Hi students, good morning. In last class we started composite function, that means we completed also how to do the differentiation of composite functions, means by using the chain rule. Okay, no? Now in this today class we will discuss about the differentiation of what? Implicit functions. Differentiation of implicit functions. Okay. So here, what is the implicit function? A function which is in the form of f of x comma y equal to 0 is called what? Implicit function. A function which is in the form of what? F of x comma y equal. For example, if you take x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. So this is in the form of f of x comma y, means this equation or this function involving the two variables x square and what? Means x and y. X square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. And if you take one more example like this, x square xy plus y square equal to 1. This is also one of the example of what? Implicit function. Okay. Next, if you take one more problem, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is also one of the example of implicit function. And this one also, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. All these are called what? Implicit function, means functions involving two variables x and y equal to what? 0. Suppose here equal to 1 is there, if you bring this side minus 1 equal to 0, here minus 1 equal to 0. So all these are examples of what? Implicit functions. Okay. Now here one more definition is there, that is the explicit function. Explicit function. Explicit function means a function which is in the form of y equal to f of x. For example, y equal to x square plus x plus 1, y equal to x cube minus x square plus 3x plus 1. All these type are called what? Explicit functions. But here in this class we are discussing only about the what? Implicit functions. Whenever they given implicit function, how to do the differentiation of that implicit function. Okay. Now. So before to this, see some basic examples. Differentiation of x plus y. So once again listen here, we are doing the differentiation for x with respect to what? X. Okay. And now that is equal to differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of y, here variable is x, here variable is what? Y. Differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by what? Dx. Like this we will write. Okay. And next, d by dx means differentiation of xy is there. Here product of two terms, here sum of two terms, here product of two terms. Product of two terms means which formula we have to use? UV formula. Already you know that. U dv by dx plus v du by dx. But we are doing the differentiation for what? X only. Okay. Now d by dx of xy equal to x into d by dx of y plus y into d by dx of x. Now simplify this one. X into what? dy by dx plus y into what is the value of this one? 1. So this is our answer. Okay. No? And if you take one more example, differentiation of, suppose they given xy square like this. Here also product of two terms, UV formula, that is equal to x into differentiation of y square plus y square into differentiation of x. How to simplify this one? That is equal to x into, listen carefully, differentiation of y square with respect to what? X. Here variable is y is there. Here we are doing differentiation with respect to what? X. Means how to get this one? Differentiation of y square is what? 2y. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Y. Means dy by dx plus y square. What is the differentiation of x with respect to x is what? 1 only. Okay. Now that is equal to 2xy dy by dx plus y square. Once again listen. D by differentiation of x y square we are doing. Okay. Now x into differentiation of y square plus y square into differentiation of x. Now x into differentiation of y square. Here differentiation of y square with respect to what? X. Differentiation of y square is what? 2y. Again we have to do the differentiation for what? Y. Because it is y, it is x. So dy by dx plus y square into differentiation of x is what? 1. Okay. Now next fourth one. One more example if you take differentiation of, suppose they given x by y. That is equal to what? It is a quotient rule. We have to apply now u by v formula r. So y into d by dx of x. What is the quotient rule? V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square minus x into d by dx of y whole divided by v square means y square. Once again listen. This is u and this is v. V du by dx minus u dv by dx. This is u, this is v. Now that is equal to y into differentiation of x with respect to x is what? 1 minus x into dy by dx as it is whole divided by y square. In all these functions there are two variables x and y, but we are doing the differentiation with respect to what? X only. Understood? So these are the some example, basic examples. And today also I give a notes. You can follow that notes also after completion of this class for the more examples. Now implicit functions examples. X square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. We have to find dy by dx. How to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. This is a implicit function. Now differentiation of x square 2x plus differentiation of y square. Here we are doing the differentiation with respect to x. Implicit function is a very important and easy and interested topic also. Okay, no? Now differentiation of with respect to x. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. And differentiation of y square? 2y dy by dx. Why we are writing this dy by dx? We are doing the differentiation with respect to x. But differentiation of what? Y square. This variable both are what? Different. So that's why. Minus differentiation of a constant is what? 0 equal to what? 0. And now 2x plus 2y dy by dx equal to what? 0. Now 2y dy by dx equal to what? Minus 2x. This 2x I am taking that side. Now these two get cancelled. What is remaining? Dy by dx equal to what? Minus x by y. This is the differentiation of this function, what? Our equation x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. Now if you take one more example, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 2. So differentiation of this implicit function we have to do. So they will ask find dy by dx. Dy by dx means differentiation of differentiate with respect to what? X only we have to find. Now write down differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Now differentiation of x square is what? 2x plus, means if you want you can write like this also, d by dx of x square separately. So d by dx of xy plus differentiation of y square and differentiation of 2, if you write like this. Now differentiation of x square with respect to x is what? 2x plus. Now here what we have to do, previous problem we did, UV formula, product rule. What we have to do? X. Differentiation of y is what? dy by dx plus y. Differentiation of x is what? 1. Shall I write directly? Now once again see, differentiation of x square is what? 2x. And differentiation of xy is what? UV formula you have to apply. Understood? X into dy by dx means x into differentiation of y plus y into differentiation of x is what? 1 plus differentiation of y square 2y dy by dx equal to, it is what? 0. Now in these two what we can take common, because we have to find what? Dy by dx. Now in these two what we can take common? Dy by dx. Now if you take in these two dy by dx, remaining two terms are what? This one. So 2x plus y plus, in these two dy by dx common, x plus 2y equal to what? 0. This one take that side. Now dy by dx x plus 2y equal to what? Minus of 2x plus y. Now that implies dy by dx equal to minus of 2x plus y whole divided by x plus 2y. Minus of x plus 2x plus y by x plus 2y. So once again listen, what you did, differentiation of x square is what? 2x, and the differentiation of xy UV formula, x differentiation of y plus y differentiation of x. Next differentiation of y square 2y dy by dx, differentiation of constant. In these two dy by dx, remaining two terms take that side, then you will get what? Dy by dx. Once again see, here 2x, these two 2x plus y, and here x plus 2y, dy by dx common, x plus 2y remaining, and this one I am taking that side, minus 2x plus y dy by dx. And now see here, these two problems you observed, no? So by the shortly you can solve like this also, like this. This is the shortcut method for this type, means these are the type 1 problems. Okay, so directly you want, suppose differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx you want. So try to understand, minus of dou f by dou x whole divided by dou f by dou y. This denote is partial differentiation. Minus dou f by dou x divided by what? Dou f by dou y. Means dou f by dou y, dou x, how to do the differentiation for that one? Minus of differentiation with respect to x and treat y as constant whole divided by differentiation with respect to y and treat x as constant. Listen here, dy by dx, in shortly this problems how to do by using this concept. Dy by dx equal to what? minus dou f by, this is one of the trick to solve this problem within one step, minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y equal to what? Minus of dou f by dou x means what? Listen carefully. Differentiation with respect to x, differentiation of the function, given function with respect to what? X. Whenever you are doing the differentiation with respect to x and treat, means consider y as what? Constant only. Where y is there, that one we have to take as what? Constant only. And differentiation with respect to y. Suppose if you do the differentiation with respect to x, where x is there, what we have to take? That x as what? Constant. Okay, no? And now here x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. Differentiation, what you got? Minus x by y you got, no? So by using this one, what we will get? So this one, dy by dx equal to, that is equal to minus dou f by dou x whole divided by dou f by dou y. This is a partial differentiation. That is equal to minus of, what I am saying here, minus dou f by dou x means what? Differentiation of the what? Given function with respect to what? X. And where y is there what we have to take what? Constant. Now this one, differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Where y is there, differentiation with respect to x, treat y as constant. Now differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Whenever you are doing the differentiation with respect to x, listen carefully, whenever you are doing the differentiation with respect to x, treat y as what? Constant. Remaining constant only we have to take. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. And differentiation of y square, we are treating that y square as what? Constant. This is independent constant, means single constant. So differentiation of constant is what? 0. 0. And differentiation of this one is what? 0. Whole divided by, here differentiation of the function with respect to what? Y. Whenever you are doing the differentiation with respect to y, treat x as what? Constant. Means x as constant means differentiation of x square, constant 0, plus differentiation of y square 2y, and differentiation of minus 1 0. So here 2 get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus x by y only or not. So this what part is in board, means in the theory part, and this is in entrance part. Okay, no? In theory we will follow like this. Definitely we have to follow like this, only differentiation with respect to x. Simultaneously you have to do the differentiation and dy by dx. Find the dy by dx. But whereas entrance you have to do if like this, then within one step directly you can identify the answer. Okay, no? And now come to this one. By using this one, how to do the differentiation of this implicit function? So dy by dx equal to minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. And now our function is what? X square plus xy plus y square equal to 2. Now I will take this as minus 2 equal to 0. Can you write? Now listen carefully. This is one problem, this is another problem. That is equal to minus of differentiation of what I am doing here, differentiation with respect to partial differentiation with respect to x means we have to treat y as what? Constant. Now differentiation with respect to x, what you will get here? 2x. 2x. Now in these, once you observe, in these which one is constant? Y is constant. So y is constant means suppose here x into 2 is there, means differentiation of 2x, 2 only you will get or not. So should not do anything for the y, because it is a scalar multiple, not independent constant. Independent constant means what? 0 will take, single constant means, but it is scalar multiple, product is there. So in this one y is constant or not? So y constant means keep like that only, write as it is. Now differentiation of x 1 plus differentiation of y square, constant is 0, differentiation of constant 0, whole divided by, again here it is what? Differentiation of the given function with respect to what? Y. With respect to y means partial differentiation with respect to y means you should take the x as a what? Constant. means this is 0 because x square single constant is 0, and again it is scalar multiple. Scalar multiple means which one is constant here? X is constant. X is constant. We have to do the differentiation for y with respect to what? Y. Differentiation of y with respect to y is what? 1. So that's why it is 1. Plus differentiation of y square with respect to y, 2y, and next one is constant only. And now that is equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by what? X plus 2y. Directly you got or not? Same thing you will get. Okay. Take one more problem. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. This is also one of the implicit function. Try this problem. So what we have to find? Dy by dx we have to find. So for that, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Okay. Now differentiation of this equation means differentiation of x square is what? Listen. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Plus differentiation of y square is what? 2y dy by dx. Because we are doing differentiation with respect to x, here y is there. Plus differentiation of 4x is what? 4 plus differentiation of 6y, 6 into dy by dx, and this is a constant 0. Differentiation of x square to x, y square 2y dy by dx, 4x 4, 6y 6 into dy by dx equal to 0. Now next step what we have to do? From these two, we have to take dy by dx common, and these two take that side. That is that implies in these two dy by dx common means what is remaining? 2y plus 6 equal to, here 2y is there, here 6 is there. Remaining two terms bring that side. So what you will get? Minus 2x plus 4 whole divided by means this is. That implies dy by dx equal to what? Minus of 2x plus 4 divided by 2y plus 6. If you cancel 2, minus of x plus 2 by what? Y plus 3. This is our answer. So once again listen, this is our given function. We are doing the differentiation with respect to x because we have to find dy by dx. Now differentiation of x square, differentiation of y square, this is differentiation of 4x, differentiation of 6y, this is constant 0. In these two dy by dx you take in common, and this is remaining, and remaining two terms bring that side. From that one dy by dx you got. And now from this, how to get within one step that dy by dx. What is our function? X square, once again I will write here, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. You should get this one. So by the partial differentiation, minus of, so dy by dou f by dou x, differentiation with respect to x, treat y as constant. Differentiation of x square 2x. And this is a single independent constant, differentiation of that one 0 plus 0, differentiation of 4x 4, differentiation of 6y, 6y means 6 also constant, y also constant, total that term is constant. So single term, differentiation of that constant is what? 0, and this one also 0, whole divided by partial differentiation of the given function with respect to what? Y. Means treat x as constant. Differentiation of x square 0. Differentiation of y square with respect to y 2y. differentiation of 4 constant, x also constant. With respect to y, treat x as constant. This one 0. And the differentiation of 6y, with respect to y, plus 6. Ultimately, this is the constant 0 only you will get. And now next step is what? Minus 2 common and cancel. What is remaining? X plus 2 divided by y plus 3. So x plus 2 minus of x plus 2 by y plus 3. Okay. Next. And one more problem. X square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. This is our function. X square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Now by the first method, dy by dx we have to find, differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiation of given function with respect to x. So differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Listen carefully here in this part. 2 into, this is product rule. X differentiation of y is dy by dx plus y differentiation of x is what? 1, like this. Okay. Plus differentiation of y square 2y dy by dx plus differentiation of 3x 3, differentiation of 4y 4 into dy by dx, differentiation of constant 0 equal to 0. Once again listen. Differentiation of x square 2x, 2 take outside, scalar multiple, product rule we have to apply. X dy by dx, x differentiation of y, y differentiation of x. Now differentiation of y square 2y dy by dx, differentiation of 3x 3 plus differentiation of 4y 4 into dy by dx equal to 0. Next step what we have to do? So here that implies 2x, here 2x dy by dx plus 2y multiply with 2 plus 2y dy by dx plus 3 plus 4 dy by dx equal to 0. So in these three terms we have to take what? Dy by dx common. If you take dy by dx common, what is remaining in this one? 2x remaining plus here what is remaining? 2y remaining here plus 4, and remaining three terms 1, 2 and 3 take right side, that is equal to minus of what? This one bring that side, minus 2x minus 2y minus 3. So in that 3 minus taken common. So 2x plus what? 2y plus 3. Now that implies dy by dx equal to minus of 2x plus 2y plus 3 whole divided by 2x plus 2y plus 4. Now here 2x multiply 2x dy by dx plus 2y, and this is same. Okay, no? In these three dy by dx common, remaining take that side. Okay, no? Now in the second method, or dy by dx equal to minus dou f by dou x whole divided by dou f by dou y equal to, same thing getting or not once you see, minus of differentiation with respect to x. With respect to x means treat y as constant. So here once again I will write it as x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 2xy plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Partial differentiation with respect to x. So x square variable only with respect to x means 2x we will take, and in this one, which one, what are the constant values? 2 already constant, and we taken y also constant, means 2y constant. Now we have to do the differentiation with respect to what? X. For which one? X. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So it is 1 plus, this is total constant term only 0, and here 3. Constant 0, all divided by partial differentiation of the given function with respect to what? Y, means treat x as constant. Total what? Constant term 0, and here differentiation of given function with respect to y, x as constant means now in this one what are the constant? 2 constant and x also constant. Differentiation of y with respect to y is what? 1 plus, next one is what? Differentiation of y square, what will get? 2y, and this is constant term 0, and here what? Differentiation of 4y with respect to y 4, and the last one constant only. Same thing you got or not? Minus of 2x plus 2y plus 3 by what? 2x plus 2y plus 4. Okay, no? So this is the theory part, and this is what? Entrance part. Like this we have to do. So this is the one type of the problems in implicit functions, and the second type we will take the in this implicit function only one more model problems are there. So in that first one I will take y equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x up to infinity, is approaches to what? Infinity. Then they asking, this is also important problem, dy by dx asking. Once again listen, y equal to root of f of x plus root of f of x plus root of f of x. Here in place of x, any function you can take. One general problem I am taking. Okay, no? You can take this as a formula for the next problems also. Okay, no? Now, generally y equal to root of means approaches to infinity means from here to what? Here it is approaches to infinity. From here to here also it is approaches to infinity. From here to here also means where it is going, means approaches to we don't know. So it is approaches to what? Infinity. So that's why first time from where it is repeating we have to identify that one. Okay, na? So first time from where it is repeating, so y means this only, but again it is repeating from where? Here or not? From here also it is approaches to what? Infinity. So that's why what we will take, y equal to root of f of x plus y we will take. Once again listen. So from where it is repeating, there we will take it as what? Y only, because here see this one not there. It is also approaches to what? Infinity only or not, and it is also approaches to what? Infinity only. So from here we will take it as what? Y. So now squaring on both the sides. If you identify this one, then easily you will get the answer. So dy by dx means differentiating with respect to x. Otherwise you can do like simply squaring on both the sides also you can do. Squaring on both the sides means what? Y square equal to f of x plus what? Y. Now do the differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Differentiation of y square with respect to x, what? 2y dy by dx equal to differentiation of f of x, f dash of x plus differentiation of y dy by dx. Now this one take this side, What is remaining? 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx equal to what? F dash of x. So finally in these two what is common? Dy by dx. If you take dy by dx common, what is remaining? 2y minus 1 remaining into dy by dx equal to what? F dash of x. Now that implies dy by dx equal to what? F dash of x by 2y minus 1. So this is our answer. What you did, once again listen here. This given function approaches to what? Infinity root of root of. From where it is repeating, from here it is also what? You can take as what? Y. So that's why y plus root of f of x plus y. Squaring on both the sides. Again differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx common. Then you will get the what? Dy by dx equal to what? F dash x by 2y minus 1. Second one. Based on this one, I will take the one example. Root of, suppose they given x root of x plus root of x up to infinity. Now identify what is the answer. Now suppose in entrance they given, directly you can apply this formula, f dash x by what? 2y minus 1. In theory they given, you have to solve like this. Okay, no? F dash x by 2y minus 1. Now in this one, what is f of x? In place of f of x, what is there? X is there. So f of x equal to x. Differentiation of means f dash x is what? 1. Now what is the dy by dx? What is dy by dx? F dash x by, already we know that 2y minus 1. 1 by what? 2y minus 1. Simple answer. Or suppose if you do like this, y equal to root of, how to write it as? Tell me. From where it is repeating? Here it is repeating or not? X plus what? Y. Squaring on both the sides. Y square equal to x plus y. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. What do we have to do? Differentiation of this one. 2y dy by dx equal to differentiation of x 1, differentiation of y dy by dx. Now that implies this dy by dx, bring this side. What will get? 2y minus 1 into dy by dx. Right side what is remaining? 1. That implies dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. Here x should be greater than 0. Then only it is exist or not. Under root value positive you have to take. Same thing you got or not. Okay, no? Y equal to root of e power x plus root of e power x plus root of e power x up to infinity. Then dy by dx asking. Answer is what? E power x by 2y minus 1. Because differentiation of dy by dx, this type of problem is what? F dash x by f of x. Means here f of x is what? E power x. F dash of x is what? Same, e power x. Now what is the dy by dx? F dash x by what? 2y minus 1. That is equal to e power x by 2y minus 1. Otherwise what we have to do? Same, y equal to root of e power x plus y squaring on both the sides and differentiating with respect to x dy by dx common, then you will get the answer what? E power x by what? 2y minus 1. Okay, no? Understood now this type problems? Next, in this one only, y equal to root of x plus root of y plus root of x plus root of y plus root of up to infinity, then dy by dx, like this they ask it. In this problem, so these are the basic problems. If you find the pulse of this one, definitely you will get this answer. From where it is repeating, that one you identified, that one you taken as what? Again y. Then you solve the problem squaring on both the sides and differentiation as it is. Now from where it is repeating, root of x plus root of y plus root of x plus root of y, means how many times it is repeating? Infinity, up to it is approaches to infinity, but how many terms repeating? 2 terms repeating. From where it is repeating? From here it is repeating or not? That one again you can take as what? Given or not. Now that implies y equal to root of x plus root of y plus this total what I am taking? Y. Now that implies y equal to root of x plus root 2y. Next step what we have to do? Squaring on both the sides. Directly you don't do, because under root value again 1 by 2 root x simplification, again we have to do the, so instead of that you follow this one, squaring on both the sides. What you will get? Y square equal to this square root get cancelled, x plus root of what? 2y. Okay. Now y square minus x equal to root 2y. Root 2y. Now again I want to eliminate this root. What we have to do? Again squaring on both the sides. So y square minus x whole square equal to 2y. Now here a minus b whole square formula. Apply that one. What is remaining? Y to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2xy square equal to what? 2y. So y is to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2xy square equal to what? 2y. Now that implies y to the power of 4 plus x square minus 2xy square minus 2y equal to 0. Now what we have to do? Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides. Same similar process. First type what you did like that. Differentiation of y to the power of 4. 4y cube. Differentiation of x square 2x. Up to here if you do, this is as it is. Differentiation of y to the power of 4y cube dy by dx plus, because the differentiation of x with respect to y. Next differentiation of x square what? 2x and minus 2 into, here what we have to do? UV formula, x into differentiation of y square 2y dy by dx plus y square differentiation of x 1 minus differentiation of 2y minus 2 dy by dx equal to what is there? 0 is there. And now that implies 4y cube dy by dx plus 2x. So multiply these two. What will get? Minus 4xy dy by dx minus 2y square minus 2 dy by dx equal to 0. Now from these three, what we can take common? Dy by dx. If you take common 4y cube minus 4xy minus 2 into dy by dx equal to, remaining terms are what? Here 2x is there and here minus 2y square is there. Minus 2y square, bring that side, what will get? 2y square, right side, and plus 2x, bring that side, minus 2x. That implies dy by dx equal to 2 common y square minus x whole divided by, in this one also 2 common, 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1. So what is remaining? Y square minus x by 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1. So for this one, what you did? From where it is repeating, that one again you taken as what? Y. You did squaring on both the sides, 2 times squaring on both the sides. Then you got one implicit function. Okay, no? But here from here, suppose in entrance they given this problem, suppose. From here what we can do? This is what? Theory based. But in entrance what we have to do from this one? So dy by dx equal to what? Minus dou f by dou x divided by dou f by dou y. If you apply, same thing you will get. So that is equal to what? Minus of differentiation of x, differentiation of the given function with respect to x, this one. But it is what? Constant. This is what? 2x. This is 2x. And in this one, what are the constant values? Minus 2y square constant. Minus 2y square constant. Differentiation of x 1. And this is constant 0. Whole divided by differentiation of y, partial differentiation of y with respect to what? X. For that one, what we have to do? 4y cube. This is 4y cube. Next, this is constant. In this one, what are the constant values? Minus 2x is constant. Differentiation of y square with respect to y, 2y, and the differentiation of minus 2y, minus 2. Now simplify this one only getting or not? What? 2 common and multiply with minus y square minus x by this one only, and here also 2 common, so 2y cube minus 2xy minus 1. So as it is you will get. Okay. And in the January 2020 GE one problem given based on this chapter, we will try that problem. Okay, that is x to the power of k plus y to the power of k equal to a to the power of k, where a and k greater than 0, and dy by dx plus y by x whole to the power of 1 by 3 equal to 0, then find the value of k. Is it implicit function? If you bring this side, x to the power of k plus y to the power of k minus a to the power of k equal to 0 you will get. Here a and k are what? Greater than 0. dy by dx plus y by x whole to the power of what? 1 by 3 equal to 0. Then find the value of what? K. So for that what we have to do? x to the power of k plus y to the power of k minus a to the power of k. General differentiation also you can do. Otherwise what? Partial differentiation also you can do. So you will get the answer. So here suppose general differentiation if you do. So k into x to the power of what? K minus 1, differentiating with respect to x, plus k into y to the power of k minus 1, this is 0, into what? Dy by dx equal to 0. Now that implies k into y to the power of k minus 1 dy by dx equal to what? Bring this side, minus k into x to the power of k minus 1. Both the sides you can remove what? K. That implies dy by dx equal to minus x to the power of k minus 1 divided by y to the power of k minus 1. That again, okay, you can write this one minus x by y whole to the power of what? K minus 1. This one bring this side because according to the given condition we have to simplify. That implies dy by dx plus x by y whole to the power of k minus 1 equal to 0 is exactly in the form of that one. There y by x is there. Here what is there? X by y. If you take the reciprocal of this one, here minus 1 you will get or not? Minus of means minus 1 into k minus 1. What you will get? 1 minus k. Now dy by, here I will write that implies dy by dx plus y by x. If you write here, what you will get? 1 minus k. Listen, x by y whole to the power of k minus 1, but given condition is what? Y by x is there. So I taken reciprocal. So k minus 1 becomes what? 1 minus k equal to what? 0. So compare this one with what? Given condition. Now in place of 1 minus k, therefore in place of 1 minus k, what is there? 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to k. Now k equal to what? K equal to 2 by 3. Okay, no? So this is our implicit function. How many model problems we have seen in this one? First one is the general x square plus y square like that, and one more root of f of x. In that different problems they given. Okay, no? And one more problem I will give to you today. You try. Okay, no? If you not get, tomorrow I will solve. That is root of x plus root of x plus root of x up to infinity equal to root of y minus root of y minus root of y minus x to infinity. Then find dy by dx. So root of x plus root of x plus root of this one equal to this one they given. Then what they asking? Dy by dx. Okay, no? So in these model problems, some more problems you want to practice, I given in that assignment, you can do the problems. Okay, no? So tomorrow, so in this implicit function only, so some more type model problems are there. That type we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, no? Thank you.